What's up, everybody? It's your girl Ebony Jean. Welcome to my channel if you're new. If you're a current subby, welcome back. I hope all is well with everybody. I'm so excited to get back to my content. I've been working a lot and taking trips in between, trying to catch up with the rest of my content on my other platforms. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram or TikTok, please go check me out there. So welcome to my first, well, now technically my second, because I did post a short on my channel but this is my second PR unboxing of the year, and I'm really excited to show you guys the products I received from Smashbox and Kiehls. So if you want to know what I got, stay tuned. So first we're going to unbox Smashbox. I have their primers with me, and I wanted to show you guys their collection. They sent me their entire primer collection. I'm so geeked about this because their photo finish primer is the GOAT. Like, this is everything, and I've been using this primer for some years now. I love the packaging. This is so cute. I got this in the mail after I returned from vacation. I just got back from Texas a couple weeks ago, and it was waiting for me at my doorstep. I was like, yes. Yeah, girl. So I was like really excited to get this. So first I have the Primerizer Hydrating Primer with Triple Hyaluronic Acid Silkscreen Complex. I love how these are color coded too. So this is blue. This is great for wearing alone or underneath your makeup to plump your skin and hydrate it. Next I have the Photo Finish Correct Anti-Redness Primer. This has Algae Silkscreen Complex. So this is great for redness. Green is an excellent color to cancel out redness. The Control Mattifying Primer, which has salicylic acid in it, and it helps to mattify the skin and control oil. Finally, I have on the Photo Finish Illuminate Glow Primer, which has vitamin C in it. I have on the primer right now underneath my makeup. You can wear this or any of the primers alone or underneath your makeup. So I have with it the Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer, which includes SPF 25 sunscreen. My shade is Deep Golden. I had this since last year. I wanted to pair this with the primer to see how it fits, and it's wonderful. Like, this is everything. I did a little bit of highlight. I put on some of my halo like up here. So I like to blend out my foundation with my skin, just making sure that everything is cohesive. Yeah, so I am very excited to have these primers in my kit. I don't have to go shopping for nothing right now because I am set, okay? But yes, thank you so much, Smashbox, for sending all this. And with the box comes a card. So this includes a description of each primer, and Photo Finish is like their top one. Everyone goes to this. It's oil-free, it's filled with antioxidants, vitamins A and E. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to doing a tutorial on this very soon. Just so you guys can get a feel of like how everything looks. But I love the Halo Tinted Moisturizer. Please go check this out. Deep Golden is my shade. If you need any help with color matching and things, check it out at Sephora or Ulta, wherever this tinted moisturizer is sold at. But yes, girl, go check it out because this is amazing, along with their primers. Thank you so much, Smashbox. Thank you. Mwah. Next up, I have Kiehls. They just sent this in the mail this week. It says, open now. Your pores and the planet will thank you later. Look at this. So I have the Rare Earth Deep Pore Minimizing and Polishing Powder Cleanser, a purifying clay powder cleanser that detoxifies skin and minimizes pores for oily skin, including sensitive and acne prone skin. This is great. Although I have combination skin, this will work out for me just fine because my skin has been acting up lately and I've been trying to get it under control. So yeah, I have the powder cleanser right here in this bottle. I don't want to pour out the product. Some of it did come off the top, and it's very mattifying, as you can tell. You just mix a little bit of water with this. You can use it as a scrub 1 to 2 times a week, or use as a cleanser 2 times a day. This includes Amazonian white clay and alpha hydroxy acid. So Amazonian clay absorbs excess oil and it detoxifies the skin, while alpha hydroxy acids refine skin's texture for softer, smoother skin, which is amazing because I get a lot of breakouts around here. Obviously you can't see it now because I have on makeup, but this is my problem area around my right cheek, and then my nose, of course the T-zone area, well mainly my nose because my pores tend to get a little crazy up in this area. And then I have the Rare Earth Deep Pore Minimizing Mask with Amazonian white clay. Intensively purifies and it minimizes pores, and it helps to resurface your skin, just give that natural glow that we all have. So according to Kiehls, this is their #1 mask and a customer favorite. I'm looking forward to trying this because I haven't tried any of Kiehls masks before, so I'm looking forward to trying this. It says evenly spread a thin layer onto skin and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. But yeah, I really like how they formulated everything. Their mission renewal is right here at the top. So they use 5 times less water than a liquid cleanser, formulated with less than 2% water, fair trade Amazonian clay and renewably sourced ingredients, water waste directly impacted by customer usage preferences, and all that good stuff. I'm going to try this and to give you guys a review in another video. I'm looking forward to using these products because Kiehls is that brand. They are that deal. Okay, so yeah, if you want more information on Kiehls, you could go on their website. I'll list everything down below in my description box. You can check them out online or in store, wherever Kiehls products are sold. In the meantime, that is it for my PR unboxing. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you are new. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.